Hello guys, I am Keviratyaru. Welcome to Dream Developers. In the previous video, we have seen loops in Kotlin. Now, in this video, we will check out jump expression in Kotlin. So, let's begin. If you have not seen the previous video, then simply check out our Kotlin programming series. So, jump expressions are used to control the flow of program execution. In Kotlin, there are three types of jump expressions: break, continue, and return. So let's check the break expression. In Kotlin, the break expression is used to terminate the nested enclosed loop. Break statement is almost used with if-else condition. Now let's check out syntax and example of break statement. So using break keyword, we can terminate any enclosed loop. So let's understand this example. Here the for loop executes for 5 times because the range of for loop is between 1 to 5. Now when loop execute, it checks when I is equal to 3, then it will break the loop, else it will execute the loop. So at the third time, when I is become 3, loop terminates, and in the output 1 and true is printed. So let's see labeled break expression. In Kotlin, labeled break expression is used to terminate the specific loop. This is done by using break expression with @sign followed by label name like break @loop. Here break is a keyword and loop is a name of label. Now let's take an example of labeled break expression. First loop I is set as 1. Now the second loop j execute 3 times because the range of j is between 1 to 3. If you don't know for loop or range, then simply check out our video. Link is given in the description. Now I loop execute second time, so I is set as 2 and j loop execute. So first I and j is printed, I is 2 and j is 1. Now it check the condition that I is equal to 2, yes, so it will break the loop I because of label break is given to I loop. I hope you will understand break and label break expression. In the next video, we will check out continue and return statement. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment.